Good day everyone, you are welcome to Geojay GIS Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today, I want to take you through Landsat Timeline. This is very important to know the timeline of Landsat satellite images, especially if you want to download their images. You must know which Landsat image is available for a particular year of your choice. Knowing the timeline of Landsat will help you to know which one to choose when you want to download their images. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. If you go online to NASA website, the timeline is made clear there when it started and which one is available at a particular year. So if we go to the summary of the timeline of Landsat, Landsat started in early 70s. Landsat 1 started in 1972 and the data capturing ranges up to 1978. So you must know this, that Landsat 1 started in 1972 up to 1978. In the same vein, Landsat 2 started in 1975 to 1982. That's Landsat 2. Then Landsat 3 started in 1978 to 1983. 1978 to 1983. That's for Landsat 3. Then Landsat 4. This is Landsat 4. Started 1982 to 1993. That's for Landsat 4. Then Landsat 5 started 1984 to 2013. Landsat 5, 1984 to 2013. Then the question is, why do you need to know this? For example, let's say you want to download for a satellite image, Landsat image for 1990. If you pick, for example, Landsat 7, Landsat 7 started in 1999, which means Landsat 7 is not available as at 1990. So let's demonstrate it practically. Let's go to their site and try to download Landsat 7 for 1990. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm at Earth Explorer site now. I want to download Landsat image. In another video, I'll show you how to download Landsat image from the beginning. Now, let's say I want to download for this very particular area. I want to download satellite image. And the dates, I'm looking at January 1st, 1990 to December 31st, 1990. This is the time frame I want to download for. Then after I've set these dates and the location, let's go to datasets. Come to datasets. Under Landsat 1 collection 2 level 1. Now remember we choose 1990 and we said that as at 1990 it was only it was in Landsat 4 and Landsat 5 that were available as at 1990. So Landsat 7 started 1999, so it was not available in 1990. So you need to know this. If you want to download for 1990 and you choose Landsat 7, let's say Landsat 7, when you say show results is looking for it, so it will tell you no result found. This is because Landsat 7 was not available in 1990. So if you go back to the data sets and check Landsat 4 to 5, these were the Landsat images that were available for that very particular period. So Landsat 4 to 5, and you click on results. So it will search for it. It's searching for Landsat. You can see now it has brought the result. We have one image for that area. If you click here, so it covers that area. So this is Landsat 5. Landsat 5, it was captured in 1990 in December 16. So you can see now the essence of knowing the timeline of Landsat Landsat. If you don't know the timeline, you may find it difficult to download their satellite images. So Landsat 6 started in 1993 and Landsat 7 started in 1999 up to present. Then Landsat 8 started in 2013, which means if you want to download image for year 2010, for example, Landsat 8 was not available then, so you can't use Landsat 8. You can't get Landsat 8 for 2000 or 2010 because it started in year 2013. Likewise, the recent one, Landsat 9, started in 2021. 2021. So, and the future outlook, they are looking at launching the next one by 2030. So this is the essence of knowing the Landsat images, Landsat timeline. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.